Good morning, dear students. Today it's again your EVS class, and we are back with the chapter Clothes. So, today we are doing a quick recap of this chapter through the video and a worksheet. So, let's read about the chapter. In this chapter, we started with understanding that why do we need clothes. First of all, हमें clothes क्यों चाहिए? Clothes play a very important role. They cover our body firstly, and they also help us to look smart and decent. When we wear clothes, we look much better. We look smart, decent, handsome. Another function of clothes is they also protect our body from heat, cold, rain, and wind. So there are so many things around us. Sometimes we are in a hot environment in summer season or in winter season. We have to wear clothes according to the season. So that means clothes also help us to protect our body from this harsh weather. After that, in this chapter, beta, we also learnt about various types of clothes we wear. For example, for girls, there are so many options like they can wear a frock, skirt, even trousers, socks, sari. For boys, coats, trouser, kurta, pajama, tie. So there are so many options of clothes we have, and we also change these types of clothes according to the weather and also during the festival season or according to the occasions, right? For example, if we have to go to a birthday party, then we wear something special, we wear some fancy dresses or we wear some colorful clothes. We don't wear the regular or routine clothes. We try to wear some different clothes which are colorful and fancy so that we look more pretty and smart. Again, if there is some festival, there can be Diwali, Holi, or there can be a birthday party, there can be any wedding in your house or family. So, according to the occasion, we also change our clothes. We wear bright, colorful clothes or fancy dresses during festival seasons or wedding seasons. After that, children, in this chapter we also learnt about uniform. That uniform is a special kind of cloth. Some people who work, they wear special clothes, right? And the clothes that show what kind of work they do are known as uniform. For example, as you children, you also wear uniform, and you wear it when you go to school. So children, all school children have different uniforms so that they can look similar, they look same in the school, and everyone comes to know that these are school going children who are going for school. Same way other people also wear uniform, as you can see in this picture. Policeman or doctor, soldier, lawyer or judge, even the fireman, fire brigade man. So many people also wear uniform, which shows the kind of work we do. So if you visit a doctor, you can easily identify the doctor. He wears a white coat or he has a stethoscope. We come to know that he's a doctor. If we see on the road there is a traffic policeman or a policeman doing his duty, again we come to know that he's a police official. So uniform also tells us the kind of work people do, and we can easily identify or recognize them with their uniform. Sometimes you also see postman dropping letters at your houses, at your place. So again they also wear a special uniform, which comes to know, which tells us that they are postmen. So children, this was the concept of uniform. Now whenever we are wearing clothes, we have to keep certain things in mind. There are some good dressing manners which we have to follow. One of that is that we always wear neat and clean dresses. Whatever clothes we are wearing, we should see that we are always wearing neat clothes, clean clothes, washed clothes. We don't wear dirty clothes. So it is important to maintain our body hygienic so that we can wear good nice clothes. Then we also learnt that we should not play in dirty places. Now, how our clothes get dirty? Only if we go to dirty places where there is mud or there is dust. So we should avoid going to such places. हमें ऐसी जगह पे नहीं जाना चाहिए जहाँ पे dirt हो, मिट्टी हो, dust हो. So what is the reason behind it? So that our clothes are neat and clean. If we will go to dirty places, obviously our clothes will also get dirty. So we will not look good in dirty clothes. Then you also have to keep in mind that your hands and other things whichever you touch are also clean, so that you don't spoil your hands. For example, if you just had your meal, आपने खाना खाया है, उसके बाद आप immediately clothes को touch कर लोगे, so your clothes will also get dirty. So another thing you have to keep in mind is that you should not touch your clothes with dirty hands. अगर आपके hands गंदे हो गए हैं, dirty हो गए हैं, you have to wash them immediately so that आप अपने clothes भी messy या dirty ना करें. And then children, for children of your age, it is very important that you wear loose clothes. Your clothes should not be very tight fitting. आपकी body को ज़्यादा tight ना हो वो. Reason is क्योंकि you people are growing. आप अभी grow कर रहे हो, आपकी height भी increase होती है, आपका weight भी increase होता है. So if you will wear tight clothes, it's not good for you. The blood circulation will not be good. So you should wear loose and easy clothes, not very tight clothes. Another thing, whenever we wear uniform especially, we have to keep in mind that our uniform and even our socks and tie are also clean. They don't get dirty, because if you are in uniform and it's dirty, you will not look good. So there are some dressing manners which we have to follow, and we will revise them once again, that your clothes should always be neat and clean. You should not play in dirty places, and you should not touch your clothes with dirty hands also. And your clothes should be loose, and always keep your socks and tie, uniform and clothes neat and clean. After that, dear children, in this chapter only we read about different kinds of clothes we wear. In the beginning of the chapter, we learned that clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust. Now, why we wear different kinds of clothes? Because there are different seasons throughout the year. Right now, आपको पता होगा अब summer season थोड़ा थोड़ा कम हो रहा है, winters are setting in. अभी थोड़ा वेदर लिटिल बेटर हो गया है, गर्मी भी कम हो गई है. सो वी चेंज क्लोथ्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेदर. सो इफ़ इट इज़ समर सीजन, वी ऑलवेज चूज समर क्लोथ्स और कॉटन क्लोथ्स फॉर इट. एंड कॉटन क्लोथ्स कैसे बनते हैं? फ्रॉम कॉटन. कॉटन इज़ अ प्लांट जिसके ऊपर फ्लावर्स आते हैं, जिसके थ्रू फिर हम कॉटन फैब्रिक बनाते हैं. एंड वाई वी वेयर कॉटन क्लोथ्स इन समर्स? इसका क्या रीज़न है कि हम समर्स में कॉटन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं? द रीज़न इज़ दैट कॉटन क्लोथ्स कीप आवर बॉडी कूल. बिकॉज उसमें से जो हमारी बॉडी में से हीट निकलती है या स्वेट निकलती है, कॉटन क्लोथ्स उसको एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं. हमारी बॉडी में से सारा पसीना सोख कर लेते हैं, स्वेट को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं. सो दैट इज़ वाई उससे हमारी बॉडी क्या हो जाती है? कूल हो जाती है. सो दिस इज़ अ रीज़न क्योंकि हम गर्मियों में कॉटन क्लोथ्स क्यों पहनते हैं? सो दैट दे एब्जॉर्ब स्वेट फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी एंड कीप आवर बॉडी कूल. सेम वे चिल्ड्रन, व्हेन इट्स विंटर सीजन, जब ठंड आ जाएगी, अब थोड़ी देर में विंटर स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, तो मम्मा आपके न्यू सारे क्लोथ्स चेंज कर देंगे. मम्मा कॉटन क्लोथ्स रिमूव करके आपके अलमीरा में, आपकी कबर्ड में विंटर क्लोथ्स रख देंगे. वाई? बिकॉज विंटर सीजन इज़ कोल्ड. जब ठंड बढ़ जाती है तो हमारी बॉडी को हमें फिर से प्रोटेक्ट करना होता है उस ठंड से. देन वी वेयर वुलन क्लोथ्स. सो इट इंक्लूड्स your caps, sweaters, jackets, gloves, socks, mittens, so many things. So ये सब चीज़ें कहाँ से बनती हैं? वूल से बनती हैं. and wool we get from sheep. so sheep की जो बॉडी पे फर होती है या हेयर जो होते हैं, दैट आर रिमूव्ड. उनको रिमूव करके उससे फिर वूल बनती है, एंड उस वूल से बनते हैं हमारे वुलन क्लोथ्स. सो वुलन क्लोथ्स कीप आवर बॉडी वार्म इन कोल्ड सीजन और ड्यूरिंग कोल्ड वेदर. तो जब भी ठंड आ जाती है हम तब विंटर क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. एंड अगेन वी लर्नड अबाउट दैट वुलन क्लोथ्स हमारी बॉडी को कैसे वार्म रखते हैं, क्योंकि उनके बाहर जो फर होती है वो थोड़े फ्लफ़ी होते हैं, उनमें से एयर क्रॉस नहीं कर पाती, जिस वजह से हमारी बॉडी वार्म रहती है ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स. एंड वी ऑल्सो लर्नड अबाउट the clothes we use during rainy season. रेनी सीज़न में ऑब्वियसली अगर हम कॉटन के क्लोथ्स पहनेंगे या हम सिर्फ वुलन क्लोथ्स पहन के जाएंगे तो वी विल गेट वेट. हमारे क्लोथ्स वेट हो जाएंगे, वो पानी को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेंगे. सो वी हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम गेटिंग वेट। तो वो हम कैसे करते हैं? थ्रू अम्ब्रेला एंड थ्रू रेन कोट्स। जो अम्ब्रेला और रेन कोट का जो फैब्रिक होता है, जो कपड़ा होता है जिनसे वो बनते हैं, वो पानी को एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करते। दैट मीन्स इवन इफ हम उनको पानी में रखेंगे, दे विल नॉट गेट वेट। सो वेन एवर वी कवर आवर क्लोथ्स विच वी आर वेयरिंग विद द अम्ब्रेला और रेन कोट, वी आर ड्राई, हम अपने क्लोथ्स को गीला होने से बचा लेते हैं, वेट होने से बचा लेते हैं। एंड दीज वी यूज़ इन रेनी सीजन, जब बारिश होती है उन दिनों में हम ये यूज़ करते हैं। सो अम्ब्रेला एंड रेन कोट्स आर टू थिंग्स विच वी ऑब्वियसली डेफिनेटली यूज़ इन रेनी सीजन. So this way children, we have done a quick recap of this chapter. Now I have again shared a worksheet with you through which you will understand that how we have to solve the worksheet. So before you solve the worksheet, please try and read the chapter one more time. आप जब ये वीडियो भी सुनेंगे या देखेंगे तब आप अपनी बुक साथ में रखिए, बुक में से रीडिंग करिए, रिवाइज द बैक एक्सरसाइजेज, ऑल्सो द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, एंड देन स्टार्ट अटेम्प्टिंग द वर्कशीट. Try to do it yourself, and when I share the answer key, you may cross check your answers. So children, happy learning to all of you. Take care, enjoy your day. Thank you all.